So today, class, we are going to make a bird's nest. So the first color we're going to start with is we're going to start with a brown. So we're just going to make circular motions with our brown crayon. Mostly, we're just starting with brown first. Okay. After we have our brown, then we're going to go in with the second color. It's like a cream tan color. And we're just going to go in with the brown and do circular motions, sort of how I'm doing in this video. Okay? We just want the colors to kind of intertwine. All right? After that, we're going to get a little bit of black. And we're just going to start forming the bird's nest. So certain parts are going to be black. All right, gonna get some more brown to kind of go back over that part. All right, and then next we're gonna grab a white. So the white is what we use for blending. So we're gonna use the white primarily for blending. And it's gonna kind of blend it together. What I mean by blending is when you have two colors and you just want them to kind of come together. Okay, that's what it's called, blending with colors. You can also blend with shading, but we're not talking about that today, okay? All right, so we have our bird's nest. It's Friday, thank God. So we have our bird's nest, and we want to make branches kind of come out. So we have a branch here. We have a branch here, got a branch there, branch there. Just want to make kind of like branches kind of come out everywhere. Okay? I'm just drawing lines that kind of come out from my tree house, my bird's nest, okay? Gonna kind of mix some black with these lines here. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw our leaves. So the leaves, we're just going to draw a curved shape, like a smiley face, one half of a smiley face, and then you're going to draw another smiley face. So just think of it like two smiley faces. You have a smiley face here, and you have a smiley face there. All right, we're going to have enough to where it feels kind of our bird's nest. All right, I think that's enough leaves, don't you? All right, we're gonna draw a little black line in between it. And then we're gonna color it in with a dark brown crayon, okay? Not a dark brown, dark green crayon. So get your green crayon out. When we think about leaves, there's all different types of color leaves. In the fall, we have very orange and red type of leaves. Those are called autumn leaves. But in the spring, we have green, bright green leaves. And that's what I'm drawing here, green leaves in my bird's nest. Okay. If you want, you don't have to. You can go back inside with a light green crayon. Forgot to color this. All right, so we have that part. So to make it kind of a little bit more colorful, I'm gonna add a little bit of red in here. The red is gonna kind of bring some warmth to our bird's nest. I'm just adding a little bit of red, like this reddy orange kind of color. And next, so we can't have a bird's nest without our eggs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put dots, all different colored dots all over the egg. You can do straight dots, you can just do short dots. Put some white on here. You just want it to look really colorful. You can be as creative as you want with your dots. Okay, and we're gonna have 2 eggs on here. I'm kind of moving a little quickly, so if you have to pause it at any point during this video, feel free, okay? Okay, next we're gonna put some glue on our bird's nest. We're gonna put it on the side that does not have the dashes, okay? So we're gonna put it right in the middle of our bird's nest. And then we're gonna put another one on our other bird's nest, okay? And there you go, you have a finished bird's nest, okay?